Today I will guide you through withdrawing money from Bitget to a bank account. Start inside the Bitget app and sign in. From the home screen, open More, then choose P2P trading. P2P is the only route that converts crypto to cash directly in a bank, so every step takes place here. First, link a bank account. In the top right corner, open the payment methods list, choose Add, select Bank Transfer, and fill in the required details. Bank name, personal name registered at the bank, and account number. Save the form and wait for Bitget to confirm that the account is active. Back on the P2P screen, move from buy to sell because USDT needs to be exchanged for cash. A list of merchants appears with limits and rates. Always look for the blue verification badge. It confirms a trusted seller. Pick a merchant whose rate and limits match the amount you want to offload. Enter the quantity of USDT to sell. The app instantly shows the local currency you will receive and any fee. Make sure the linked bank account is selected, then review the summary. When everything looks correct, confirm the order. The merchant sends the money straight to the bank. Once the funds arrive, mark the order as received. Bitget releases the USDT to the merchant and the transaction closes. Bitget may ask for identity confirmation the first time you sell, so keep an ID document ready. Bank processing times vary. Most local banks release funds within minutes, but some may take a little longer.